This video tutorial mainly explains how to use our new Bluetooth module to establish communication via phone app. First, just like we did with the previous Wi-Fi module, we'll connect it to our solar controller. Alright, now let's proceed to the next step by opening the app on our phone. Open our app Solar Guardian. That's right, it's the same app used for our previous Wi-Fi module in the last video. Step 1. Log into the app, click Me Data, and select All Products. And then click Data Sync to download all data. Step 2. Return to the app home page, click the Go Offline in the upper right corner, or log out of the app, and click the Enter Offline mode on the initial page. Step 3. Select the module type, Bluetooth. Step 4. Turn on the phone's Bluetooth switch and enable the Bluetooth configuration to search the Bluetooth module automatically. Click the Add to connect the specified Bluetooth module. Step 5. Return to the app and click the device icon to enter the device list page. Click that Add Device or the plus in the upper right corner to jump to the Device Edition interface. Step 6. Input the product name, select the product series, set the communication ID, and click Confirm to complete the device adding. Step 7. Click the icon on the device list page to modify the device information. Step 8. On the device list page, click the device icon to display the device configuration figure and real-time data. Click the icon in the upper right corner to view the device overview and set parameters. For details, refer to the app user manual. The above are the 8 steps to establish a Bluetooth communication connection. The video is about to end here. If you have any questions or need technical support, please leave a comment below the video or send your inquiries to our email at support@solarepic.com. Thank you for watching.